على ايوه يلا في الجنة
في الجنة
شوفوا
نشوفه
شوفوا
نشوف
Watch Balu, 23rd May, Sunday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
Watch The Untold Story every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
मांगने से पहले मोहसिन भाई ने क्या कहा था याद है? बचाओ बचाओ। ये मेरा भांजा है और ये मेरे साथ रहेगा।
कोई मुझे आपसे दूर नहीं लेकर जा सकता।
नदी में तैरना मैंने सिखाया, रिंग में खेलना मैंने सिखाया और अब मैं इसे शिकार करना सिखाऊंगा। आ जाओ सबके सब।
Watch Venki Mama, 9 July, Friday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
हाँ सेठ जी, तंबोरा बजाइए।
मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ।
बहन डर गई।
Watch
Bhagam Bhag, 29 December, Tuesday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
Love you, Sonia. Love is never enough.
Yes sir, love at first sight का।
But
आज से आपका सब कुछ हमारा।
overindulgence
पागल हो गया मैं। ताड़िया का प्यार में पागल।
has its own side effects.
Oh my god।
Comedy Time every Tuesday at 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
By the time I realized that, oh yeah, I do enjoy acting, so then it would be like, I wish I had the possibility of managing both. But no, because I had him. I mean, he just took over my life. So it was like my entire focus, my happiness was only having him with me.
Watch Dear Mom every Saturday 7 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
जी मैं आपसे
हाँ तुम मुझसे
आपसे प्यार कर।
मैं तुम्हें हमेशा चाहता रहूंगा प्रीति। मैं जानता था तुम जरूर आओगी प्रीति।
Watch हमारा दिल आपके पास है 25th November, Wednesday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
How much did you guys fight when you guys were kids? Did you ever fight?
Malla and me? Oh my god,
That's a different show by itself.
Watch No More Secrets
Every Saturday 7 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment. A man in uniform
राम आज का राम एसपी परशुराम
to uphold the law.
कपाली जैसे लोग नेताओं के पालतू गुंडे हैं। आज अगर मेरी जान भी चली जाए तो उसकी कोई परवाह नहीं।
To restore order.
नेताओं को जड़ से उखाड़ कर फेंक दूंगा।
And to ensure justice. Watch Azad Desh Ka Andha Qanoon 21st February, Sunday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
Like when I did a song like Sexy Sexy Mujhe Log Bole,
Yeah.
today the word sexy is used as a drop of a hat.
Yeah. I've been that dark horse.
Do a nose job, change your name.
Accept what you have chosen and stand by it. I think it's time India and the world says woman up.
Watch Women Up every Monday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
There is a lip balm, which is a coconut flavored lip balm, because I like that.
I carry a perfume in my bag. This is one of my most favorite perfumes.
Watch What's in My Bag every Monday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
Well, when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I do is do some cardio. After my cardio, I come back and instead of having a protein shake, how most of the people do after their workout, I like to have my breakfast, which is an omelette or egg bhurji with like 4 full eggs with a lot of vegetables and a lot of cheese on it, but no bread, no carbs in it.
I'm experimenting with being vegan right now, and I think that so far is working really well. I don't know if I'll be able to continue staying vegan or not.
Watch What I Eat in a Day every Wednesday 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
This was one of those few times that I was like, let's just skip math class. And whatever, she was like, yeah, let's just skip it. So we skipped it and we were like, okay, let's go to the health center where you can get a note saying you're sick. At the end of class, our sir came and he was like, where's your note? Why were you not in class? So we gave him this note from the healthcare center, but one thing we did was the timestamp, it was said like it said like 2:30 and we made dash like till 3 something. So that whole period was covered. It was just like a 5-minute thing. He was like, okay, he took it. Next thing we know, we're called into the coordinator's cabin and she was like, we don't write this on our slips.
Watch No More Secrets every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
I remember the kitty going on and these women smirked. I don't know what it is with people being so insensitive. I remember them very clearly saying, oh my god, isn't that Shilpa Shetty? She still has a weight. And I was barely it was barely 4 months after I had delivered,
Watch Dear Mom every Monday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
My problem is only that I eat a lot in the night, and that I had to stop, which is very, very difficult. And the day the show got over, I have started eating like a pig.
Tofu is another thing that normally people like an egg white scramble, but for vegans a great option is a tofu scramble, which is one of my staples. I'll have most mornings. I make it myself and I thoroughly enjoy it.
Watch What I Eat in a Day every Wednesday 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
मौत यही सजा है दोनों की।
فينا سلم على حاول كمان غلط صوت أعلى. أيوة يلا.
Monday 8:30 UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
Something is happening.
Is gone. So her solution to everything, if she doesn't want to fight, is going to the room.
Sometimes we'd get into these really nasty fights. So I remember once locking Shamita in Daddy's cupboard. So then when she got out, Mata Chandalini came out.
Watch No More Secrets every Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
When I did Rockstar, I was a 13-year-old high school kid who was very passionate about studying and dancing and performing and being on stage. And out of the blue, literally, the casting director of Rockstar walked into my school and kind of saw me performing on stage and made me audition when I didn't even know what the word meant.
Watch Women Up every Monday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
These ones are Christian Dior's. They're gifted to me by my manager and I love them. And forget about me, I think everybody else loves these glasses so much more. My favorite, Gucci Guilty. I love this perfume. I got this on my birthday. I got actually both of these on my birthday this year. This is the Gucci Guilty Black and this is the regular one. So this one is my favorite.
Watch What's in My Wardrobe every Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment. Love
Babu, I love you.
is a two-way street.
You know I love you.
No, Rajat, I don't.
I'm sorry. You're okay?
Always under construction.
अच्छा पापा, I'm sorry.
कहाँ थे हम?
Sorry for the interruption. Watch Pyar Ka Panchnama 8th December, Tuesday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
How much did you guys fight when you guys were kids? Did you ever fight?
Malla and me? Oh my god,
That's a different show by itself.
Watch No More Secrets every Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
तुझे नवाबों के अंदाज नहीं पता।
नवाबों की शक्ल नहीं, अकल और मिजाज होता है।
फिर तो हम भी नवाब हैं।
वाकई में कसम का?
हाँ, अगर झूठ बोलूं तो तू मर जाए।
बात बनती नजर आ रही है। तुम कितनी खूबसूरत हो।
जमीला, तो बाबा हमने देखी ही नहीं।
तुम्हें देख के क्या करनी है? तुम तो अल्लाह वाले हो।
बाबा दिल वाला भी तो है ना।
Watch Korangi Ke Satrangi Sunday to Thursday 5:45 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment. Watch GT Road Sunday to Thursday 7 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
I love mascara and I particularly love this one. It's by Lancome. It's called Hypnose Drama because I have really long lashes. So if I just use a really good mascara, I don't really need to ever apply lashes.
So whenever I step out of the house, guys, I avoid putting any kind of foundation. So what I do is I have this tint with me. So I use it for my cheeks, I use it for my lips, and I'm done.
I love looking contoured, so I use the Fenty contour stick in Truffle. And I like it because it's cream based. It's almost over, but it's cream based, so it kind of just like blends in yummily instead of powder.
Watch What's in My Makeup Bag every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment. Fairs,
मुझे इस आदमी की जरूरत है। एक तिजोरी है जो सिर्फ यही खोल सकता है।
fortune before them,
लोग मुझे प्यार से रोमियो कहते हैं।
tragedy behind them, and thread around them.
एक दिन चोर का हाथ होगा और मेरी हथकड़ी।
They are Watch Roop Ki Rani Choro Ka Raja 19th August Wednesday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
So my hair is so straight. It's such a big problem because it's just like straight. So what I do is I have a bath, a hair bath. After that I take this volume mousse. I put it on my hair and I just dry it. Then I get this sort of like a not so smooth hair sort of vibe.
And I have another favorite eyeshadow of mine. So whenever I want to like glam up, I go for like a shimmer. It does look very scary, but when you apply it on your skin, it's more like a darker nudie kind of a shimmer.
Watch What's in My Makeup Bag every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE. ऐसी खुशी लेके आया चांद. Coming soon on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.